In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments in Bluebeam. This is a crucial skill for anyone involved in project collaboration and document review, and using Bluebeam makes the process more efficient and effective. Let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to Bluebeam Cloud. Once there, you'll see a page prompting you to sign in. If you're not already a member or haven't used Bluebeam before, you'll want to create an account first. For this tutorial, let's assume you have an account. Go ahead and type your registered email address into the designated field on the sign-in page. This will allow Bluebeam to recognize your account and offer a seamless experience. Next, simply click on the Next button. This step is straightforward but crucial, as it leads you to the following page where you'll be asked to enter your password. Securely type in your password, ensuring it's the correct one linked to your Bluebeam account. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so check for any capital letters if your password includes them. Once everything is in place, click on the Sign In button. This will take you into your Bluebeam environment. Now here's where the fun begins. On your dashboard, navigate to the Studio Sessions area. This is essentially the space where you'll be handling your projects and documents. Click on it to enter. Within your Studio Sessions, locate and open your desired project. Think of this as entering a specific workspace focused on your project needs. Once your project is open and you're ready to dive into markups, direct your attention to the Markups icon. Clicking this icon will load the Markups tab, an area specially designed for you to interact with the document more robustly. From here, select one of the markups available on your document. This could be a place where comments are needed, or perhaps you need to add some clarification to existing annotations. Once you have selected your desired markup, you're ready to create comments directly in the comment box provided. Type your comment thoroughly and precisely, ensuring the information is clear to anyone else looking at this document. Remember, clear communication is key when collaborating with others, especially in a professional setting. After you've composed your comment, it's important to finalize this contribution by clicking the Send button. This ensures your comments are saved and visible to other collaborators. And that's it, congratulations. You've just added comments in Bluebeam efficiently, helping to ensure your project's documentation is both detailed and collaborative. Keep practicing this skill to enhance your proficiency, and soon it will become second nature. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope this guide empowers your future Bluebeam endeavors.